A relay is an electromechanical device which is commonly used to connect two different circuits. It can connect a low voltage circuit to a high voltage circuit, or a low current circuit to a high current circuit, or simply to isolate two circuits. The simplest relay has one set of contacts, commonly called changeover contacts. Inside the relay is a coil, called a solenoid, and when the coil is energized, the center core of the solenoid becomes magnetized, and moves an arm closer to the coil. A contact is connected to this arm, and the contact touches another contact to complete a circuit. The contacts are labeled common for the moving contact, normally open, and normally closed. This can be seen in diagram. A relay can be connected as the collector load of a transistor, as shown on figure. When sufficient collector current flows in the transistor, the relay is activated, and any device connected to the contacts will be operational. Since a relay is an electromechanic component which is consisted of moving parts, it has a limited operational lifespan and cannot be used for rapid switching. It would not be very effective using it in for example, light show, which has frequent switching frequency, several hundreds or thousands times per hour. Each opening and closing of the contact is followed by sparks, which would dramatically shorten the life of such device. The maximum current rating for a relay is marked on the housing with all the other information. It is usually higher than 1A. Coil values are input values, or voltage and resistance values at which relay draws the lever and switches. Usual coil voltages are 3 volts, 5 volts, 6 volts, 12 volts and 24 volts. They can be found printed on the relay's housing. These are all DC voltages, but there are AC voltages, designed relays with 230 volts, or 250 volts. The current taken by the relay depends on the resistance of the coil. The coil resistance can be measured with a multimeter. Current flowing through the coil is calculated using resistance law by dividing the relay's voltage by its resistance. Overvoltage will cause sparks inside the relay and possibly damage the contacts. Application of a relay.